Hello guys, today we are going to discuss about chapter 2 components of food. So guys, before we start, you have already learned about the components of food in standard 5th. So tell me, how many components are present in food? You can say there are 5 components. So guys, in this chapter we will learn about the food and which types of the components are present in it, and what are the reasons that we need to eat varieties of food, and in which and what types of the food we have to eat regularly. Now, what is balanced diet? Then, what are the symptoms if we will not eat a food properly, right? Then, what are the minerals and what happens due to the lack of this protein, fat, vitamins, minerals? What are the disease causes due to the lack of this all, right? That we all will learn at the end of this chapter, right? So first of all, my question is कि why should we eat food? So answer will be कि animals या human beings need to eat food to get energy for growth, right? So guys, here are diet 1 and diet 2. So you need to find it out which of this diet is healthy, right? So in first one it is given chocolate in breakfast, toffees, biscuits, burgers, fresh fries for lunch, samosa, butter chicken for dinner. So these types of the food if we are eating, right? So can we be healthy or not? And second diet 2, in which milk, porridge, toast, egg, these are in breakfast. Then fruits during the morning, vegetable curry, yogurt for lunch, fruits, nuts, सरसों का साग मतलब सब्जी, milk. So out of this both the diet, which diet is very much which diet is healthier? So you can see that diet 2 is healthier than diet 1, right? So write down in the blank diet 2 is more healthier than diet 1. Okay, so our first topic is what are nutrients. So it is food which is made up of different components, so it is called as nutrients. So highlight this sentence. And which types of the nutrients are present in food? So it is carbohydrate, proteins, fat, vitamins, minerals, right? And next one is roughage, dietary fibers and water. These both are also important for our healthy body, for our functions of our body, right? So guys, first let's discuss about carbohydrate. So first of all, what are the functions of carbohydrate? So carbohydrate it is a rich source of energy It gives energy to our body. So here carbohydrates are divided into two types, sugar and starch. So here sugar is called as simple carbohydrate and starch is called as complex carbohydrate. Why? Because sugar, it gives quick energy, right? Sugar is in the form of juice of fruits, honey. These all are the sources of sugar, right? It gives quick energy to our body. Now if we discuss about starch, so starch also gives us energy, but to release the energy from the food like rice, wheat, maize, bread and potatoes, it takes longer time to release energy in our body because it is complex carbohydrate, right? In our body there are chemical reactions take place to release energy from the starch. That's why starch is called as complex carbohydrate. So suppose when we eat roti, rice, maize, bread, so whatever carbohydrate is present in this all the food items, it will be broken down into sugar, right, by our body. Then sugar will be absorbed by our bloodstream. Then sugar, the starch will be converted into energy and in blood carbon dioxide will be released. So you can see in picture, these all are the sources of carbohydrates, right? Here is one question. A low carbohydrate diet is suggested for people who want to lose weight. Should they totally remove carbohydrates from their meals? If yes, then why? If no, then why not? Right. So guys, find out the answer of this question. Why should we not eat if we want to lose the weight, right? Now guys, our next topic is fat. Here fat is also one type of the energy source, right? It gives energy to our body and keep us warm. So where fat is stored in our body? So below the skin there is layer where fat is usually fat deposited, right? So it protects our body from cold and keeps us warm. So here there are two types of the fats. First one, saturated fat and unsaturated fat. So what is the meaning of saturated fat? So saturated fat are in solid form at natural room temperature. That means if we say in definition, so saturated fat, that means a fat that can be in solid form at normal room temperature. So what is the meaning of normal room temperature? So it is the temperature between 25 degree to 35 degree, right? So this is normal room temperature. इस रूम टेम्परेचर पे जो भी फैट्स सॉलिड फॉर्म में होता है दैट इज कॉल्ड एज सैचुरेटेड फैट. एंड अनसैचुरेटेड फैट मीन्स द फैट which are in liquid form at normal room temperature. So it is called as unsaturated fat. So first we will discuss about saturated fat. So examples are butter, cream, cheese, ghee, coconut oil, palm oil, right? So these oils and this butter, ghee, all are in solid form at normal room temperature, right? That's why they are called as saturated fat. Now, as for examples of unsaturated fat, so fish oil, oil of olives, right? Oils of nuts, seed, groundnuts, sesame, mustard oil. These all the oils are in liquid form at normal room temperature, right? That's why they are called as unsaturated fat. If anyone is eating too much fat, so there is a disease. This disease is called as obesity. So in diet, too much fat wala food we should not eat, right? Because it leads a disease called as obesity, that means motapa, right? So here get it right is given, right? So whatever fats are obtained from the animals, most of them are saturated fat, most of them are solid form. But there is the fish. In fish oil, it is in liquid form. That's why it is called as unsaturated fat. So guys, here is one activity that students have to do at home. First of all, what you have to do, take any food sample. We will check कि fat is present in it or not. First, this is simple activity. Take food sample, then rub it on piece of paper, right? If it is oily, piece of paper will be little oily. That means in the food fat is present. And this activity students can do at home, right? अगर piece of paper के ऊपर दाग मिलते हैं, स्टेन्स मिलते हैं, that means वो जो फूड आपने लिया है which contains fat. So okay guys, thank you, have a nice day.